In the name of Allah, I am Malik Atfar. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Malik Atfar Online Mathematics. Today my fifth lecture on trigonometry. Today's lecture was table of trigonometric ratios. You see, table of trigonometric ratios is important topic. You say laga chhe 10th ब्रोखन पत्ते जरूरत physics मा chemistry मा engineering अगर इस करो ताफ मत इस लगा जरूरत. The topic is most important topic. As याद में ये trigonometric ratios शे तमुन हन value शे इस कारण इस पर angle आयस 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. तम इस पर angle आसन दे theta इस पर as 0 degree. तस पर ऐसे अन values कित खन है को कैस कड़े. ऐसे चु trigonometric ratio ऐसे निश्चय sin theta, cos theta, cos, tan, cot, cosec, sec. हम trigonometric ratio उन value at angle 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. अस निमो एक simple trick यम से ऐसे उन values है को ऐस कर. अस निमो एक simple trick. इस बनाओ table table बनो ऐस यम ऐस निश angle छ angle यम ऐस निमो ऐस तम लेमो ऐस horizontally लेखो ऐस angle या tables में ऐस निश 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Theta is पर theta is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. यम ऐसे trigonometric ratio छ तम लेखो ऐस vertically या tables में. That is sin, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. वो निमो कैस उन वैल्यूज कित खन इस करो sin 0 degree का बराबर sin 30 degree का बराबर sin 45 sin 60 sin 90 कित खन है को के कर असने वो शुद्ध यात्मा 0 1 2 3 4 सिंपली लिखा है 0 1 2 3 4 गणने के रोज में आज करो डिवाइड है 4 से 0 divided by 4 को बराबर 0 बस 1 divided by 4 को 1 divided by 4 2 divided by 4 2 1 is 1 divided by 2 simple fraction 3 divided by 4 को ऐसा करना 4 divided by 4 को बराबर 1 now वो त्राव ऐसे मन सर्वे निम वैल्यूज के मन त्राव ऐसे स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 0 को 0 से स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 1 is for 4 square root of under root 1 divided by 2 square root of 3 divided by 4 square root of 1 you guys समझ सारे में square root 3 0 को 0 by square root of या कौन ऐसे करते लिखे square root of 1 को 1 से square root of 4 को बराबर 2 square root of 4 को बराबर 2 इनका निम्न square root of 1 को बराबर 1 divided by square root of 2 को under root 2 square root 2 now देखो under root 3 divided by square root of 4 को बराबर 2 now square root of 1 को बराबर 1 draw as values sin 0 द्रा बराबर 0 sin 30 द्रा बराबर 1 divided by 2 sin 45 द्रा बराबर 1 divided by root 2 sin 60 द्रा बराबर under root 3 divided by 2 sin 90 द्रा बराबर 1 बस इति वैल्यू छ करन वछ अस उन्नाय करन थोड़ा चेंज यम से अस टेबल दे शुरू हुई वैल्यूज नेर यस अस 0 1 by 2 1 divided by root 2 under root 3 divided by 2 and 1 हम लेखो कैसे रिवर्स में लेखो इस 1 under root 3 divided by 2 1 divided by root 2, 1 divided by 2, 0. Draw as uses cos 0 degree te draw as 1 is barabar cos 30 degree draw barabar as under root 3 divided by 2, cos 45 draw barabar 1 divided by under root 2, cos 60 draw 1 divided by 2, cos 90 draw barabar 0. Draw as बस which as tan करो tan कितने करो as tan जैसे पता tan जैसा बराबर tan theta जैसा बराबर sin theta divided by cos theta. ऐसे पता tan theta जैसा बराबर sin theta divided by cos theta तेल का सेम 0 divided by 1 sin divided by cos 0 divided by 1 0 divided by 1 so goes zeros. 1 divided by 2 whole divided under root 3 divided by 2. 1 divided by 2 goes sin 30, cos 30 goes barabar under root 3 divided by 2. So look divide as man. ये 2 guys cancel. It goes 1 divided by root 3. Draw as tan 30 barabar. Tan 45. You divide by ये 1 divided by root 2 divided by 1 divided by root 2. So goes barabar 1 as. Draw tan 45, which is tan 60 count. Tan 60 sin 60 is under root 3 divided by 2, cos 60 1 divided by 2. ये 2 guys cancel. I do under root 3 divided by 1 left is k. Under root 3. Patra barabar 1 divided by 0. 1 divided by 0. 1 divided by 0 goes not defined or infinity. Not defined. Draw as which as pala yum tre asa yum tre last ratio tum chasa yum reciprocal cot chasa reciprocal of tan theta as pata tan 0 degree draw as barabar 0 divided by 1 equals to barabar 1 divided by 0 so goes not defined. What goes tan 30 cot chasa tan of reciprocal tel karo as reciprocal you goes under root 3. 1 is goes reciprocal 1 under root 3 is goes reciprocal 1 divided by under root 3. You will see that 1 divided by 0 equals 0 divided by 1 divided by 0 not defined 0 divided by 1 equals 0. Draw as cot theta which is sec theta. Sec chasa reciprocal of cos theta. Sec 0 degree chasa 1 is barabar then go reciprocal of 1 go 1 which is sec 30 degree. Sec 30 degree chasa barabar as per cos 30 degrees under root 3 divided by 2 sec chasa reciprocal of cos theta cos goes equals to barabar sec 30 goes barabar 2 divided by root 3. Draw 2 divided by root 3 which is sec 45 as per cos 45 as barabar 1 divided by root 2 image reciprocal goes under root 2 goes cos sec 60 as per sec 60 cos 60 draw as barabar 1 divided by 2 sec 60 goes to reciprocal goes 2 is barabar what goes sec 90 degree cos 90 is barabar 0 divided by 1 goes 0 से 1 divided by 0 so go not defined. Not defined. Cos 90 0 is barabar reciprocal करो 1 divided by 0 so goes not defined. What go last cosec. Cosec just a reciprocal of sin theta. Cosec either of size barabar 0. If you reciprocal L karo so goes not defined. 1 divided by 0 is equal not defined. Not defined. Who goes cosec 30. Cosec 30 sin 30 draw is barabar 1 divided by 2. If reciprocal goes barabar 2. Draw as here which is cosec 45. As per the sin 45 draw is barabar 1 divided by root 2 if reciprocal goes to root 2. Simply. Now cosec 60. Cosec 60 as per the sin 60 draw barabar under root 3 divided by 2 equals to reciprocal 2 divided by under root 3. 2 divided by under root 3. Who goes last to cosec 90. Cosec 90 as per the sin 90 shasa 1 is barabar 1 of reciprocal goes 1. Draw as a value. You go trigonometric table of trigonometric ratios in simple trick. Thanks. Have a nice day.